How to use Measure app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Measure application on your phone. The Measure app on iPhone uses augmented reality technology to act as a virtual tape measure. It can also automatically detect rectangular objects and provide their dimensions. The app also includes a level feature which helps you check if an object is perfectly horizontal or vertical. On this Level tab, place your iPhone on a surface to check the angle. When the screen turns green at 0 degrees, it indicates that the surface is perfectly level. To measure an object, switch to the Measure tab and point your camera at the object you want to measure. Position the dot at your starting point and tap the plus button to add an anchor. Move the dot to the end point, and the app will display the measurement along the line. You can tap the shutter button on the bottom right to take a photo of your measurement for later reference. Following these steps, you can easily use the Measure app on an iPhone.